In operating system, what is a process? So process is a program under execution. Just assume you have written a C or a C++ program. That program is lying in your hard drive. This program is not running, but when you execute this program, that means the processor is having control of this program and this has been executed. Then we say that now this program has become a process. The process is a bit more than your program code. Actually, this process is active entity, while your program on the hard drive is a passive entity. When the attributes or certain resources like the hardware state, memory and CPU, these are attached or included with your program, then it becomes the process. So process will have all these hardware state, memory, CPU, etc. Now the process has a memory, so this memory, so processor memory is divided into 4 sections for efficient working. What are these 4 sections? These are 4 sections. First one is your text section. Second is your data section. Then you have heap. And then you have stack. The text section is made up of compiled program code. And this is read for not the volatile storage, but the non-volatile storage when the program is actually launched. Then you have data section. Data section is made up all the global and static variables which you have written in your program. These are in data section along with the allocated and initialized those variables which are done prior to executing the program, the main, right? Then we have heap. Heap, these are all being say you have given in the program, but when your program runs, the variables which need the dynamic memory, means they are allocated memory at the runtime or when the processor is working on it, that place or that memory is known as the heap, and this is also a section of your process. So heap is used for dynamic memory allocation, and it is managed via C. In your program you'll see new, delete, malloc, calloc, free, etc. Then we have stack. This stack is for local variables. The local variables that is in your program is stored where, or this, which is the place for these local variables? This is stack. So space on the stack is reserved for local variables when they are declared. Process state. Process can be any of the following state. See, you are here. You want to meet a doctor. Now, you have certain problem. That means you have say a headache. This headache is new. That is, the process is being created. Just now the process has been created. You have just got a headache. Now you have gone to the clinic of the doctor. You have gone to the clinic of the doctor. You have taken the number. Now you are ready. The staff or the receptionist has told you, please wait. Doctor will see you in another 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Now you are in the ready state. That is, the process is waiting for the processor to be assigned to him. Then the receptionist told, okay sir, you can go to the doctor. This is the time you meet the doctor. Now you are in the running state. That is, the instructions are being executed. You are actually dealing with the doctor. The doctor is examining you. You are in the running state. Process in the running state. Then doctor told you, okay, please wait outside, and we have a staff. He's going to take blood from you, and then you come back. This is a waiting state. You are under surveillance of the doctor, but you have come out for some action has to be completed. That is input output completion, or say a reception of a signal. This is the waiting state. And if you are outside, some other guy has gone, some other patient has gone, so the doctor is attending him. You cannot enter inside unless this patient has completed his examination. Then termination. Now doctor has examined you. He has said, okay, take these pills, and now you may leave. Now you happily come back to your House? You are terminated. The process has finished execution. The process has finished execution. Now the processor has told, okay, I've done enough with you. Please go back and relax. So now this is new. You are admitted. Now you are in a ready state. You are waiting to be run. Maybe because of some interrupt or scheduler dispatch will take you to the running state. Then you are in the waiting state for some input-output event or some input-output event completion. This event wait is there. When you complete, you again go back to the ready state, not to the running state. Then, once you are completed, you exit. You are terminated. Your action is terminated as far as the operating system concepts are concerned. Process control block. PCB. What is a PCB? Process control block. See, every process has a proper control block, means the information about the process, the biodata, the testimonial, everything about the process is stored in process control block. Where? Process control block. This is a data structure. And this data structure contains various things. What are these things? First of all, the process state. The process state is, it can be running, process can be running, waiting, terminated. It can be in a ready state. Any state can be there. So, the information is here. Then the process ID and the parent process ID. What is the process ID? Every process is being assigned a unique ID. And also, the process may have come from some parent process. So, parent process ID. Then you have CPU registers and program counter. What this program counter has? It holds the address of the next instruction which is to be executed. CPU scheduling and information. If some scheduling algorithm like criteria, like the priority has to be established, then the priority information is kept where? Here. Priority. Here. Pointers. These are the pointers to scheduling queues. Because process may be somewhere. It has to go, maybe round robin or some scheduling algorithm it has to go through. Then memory management information. Like the page tables, the segment tables, all the information is where? In the memory management information. Accounting information. This is the accounting information. User and kernel CPU time consumed. How much it has consumed. What are the count numbers? What is the limitations? What are the resources? All these things, accounting is being done in accounting information. Then IO status information. Input output. Now the device which are input output devices, these are being allocated. The open file tables. These all information you will find in IO information. So this is your process control block. So this is about process, complete idea about a process in operating system. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.